Ecology and functions of ecosystem. Question 1. Which one of the following best describes the term extirpation? A. Disappearance of an organism or a group of organisms due to environmental forces or evolutionary changes in their members. B. The reduction of a species to such low abundance that, although it is still present in the community, it no longer interacts significantly with other species. C. Species of plants or animals that ceases to exist in a chosen geographic area of study, though it still exists elsewhere. D. It is the state of a species being found in a single defined geographic location. Question 2. With reference to ecosystems in general, consider the following statements. 1. Greater biodiversity leads to greater stability in ecosystems. 2. All ecotones are rich in biodiversity. 3. The abiotic factors affecting the aquatic ecosystems are sunlight, water currents, salinity, microbes, depth and nutrients. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 3 only. Question 3. With reference to ecosystems, consider the following statements. 1. All terrestrial animals are warm-blooded in nature. 2. Plants in the aquatic ecosystem have well-developed root systems. 3. Only terrestrial animals breathe through their lungs. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements. 1. An ecotone is a population that is adapted to local environmental conditions. 2. The density of organisms present is lesser in the ecotone compared to the surrounding environments. 3. Areas experiencing edge effects might have higher predation levels than interior habitats. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 3 only. Terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Question 5. Consider the following statements about Amazon rainforests. 1. Amazon rainforests are spread over 80% of Brazil. 2. It is bounded by the Guiana Highlands to the north, Atlas Mountains to the west and Atlantic Ocean to the east. 3. They are net absorbers of the carbon on the planet. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above. Question 6. Consider the following difference between tropical and temperate rainforests. 1. While tropical rainforests are characterized by uniform temperature and rainfall, temperate rainforests exhibit seasonality with regard to temperature and rainfall. 2. Both tropical and temperate rainforests have rich undergrowth of small trees and shrubs. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements about boreal forests. 1. These forests are found in cold regions with high rainfall and long winters. 2. Soil in these forests is nutrient-poor and acidic mainly because of the cold environment. 3. Boreal forests are the world's largest terrestrial carbon sink. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Which of the following adaptations can be seen in the animals of desert regions? 1. They are nocturnal in habit. 2. They have long legs. 3. They have thick black-colored fur on their body. 4. They have big ears. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 3 and 4 only. Question 9. Consider the following pairs of aquatic organisms. Type of aquatic organism. Description. 1. Neuston, organisms which remain attached to stems and leaves of rooted plants. 2. Periphyton, organisms which live at air-water interface. 3. Nekton, organisms which are powerful swimmers. 4. Benthos, organisms which live at the bottom of the water. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1 and 4 only. Question 10. Which of the following statements with reference to survival of coral reefs is incorrect? A. Coral reefs rarely develop in water deeper than 50 meters. B. Coral reefs require very saline water ranging from 32 to 42 parts per million. C. Coral reefs require clean and clear water for survival. D. None of the above. Question 11. Consider the following statements about biochemical oxygen demand, BOD. 1. It is the amount of oxygen consumed by bacteria and other microorganisms while they decompose organic and inorganic matter under aerobic conditions. 2. Clean water has a BOD value less than 5 ppm whereas highly polluted water has a BOD value of 17 ppm or more. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 12. Which of the following are the adaptations found in mangroves? 1. Viviparity mode of reproduction. 2. Stilt roots. 3. Pneumatophores. 4. Thin leaves. 5. Lenticulate bark. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. B. 1, 2, 4 and 5 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 13. Which of the following adaptations can be found in the desert plants? 1. Reduced size or absence of leaves. 2. Presence of chlorophyll in the stems of the plants. 3. Narrow root system. 4. Reduction in photosynthesis during dry period. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only.